Guys, today is my parrot bathing vlog. My parrot literally hates water, but it's summer, so I'll just give her a small bath because it's needed, or else she can catch you. In the water, I have added a pinch of turmeric for killing the germs and bacteria on her. While she's outside, she can catch many germs and bacteria, so turmeric is a good thing, natural thing, which can kill germs and bacteria. She doesn't like water much, so it's easy job for giving a bath outside. But that way she can feel the nature and get cleaned. She's giving me a striky look. She never turns when we bathe her. She always strikes. That's why we prefer to bathe her inside the cage. And that's all for today. I won't bathe her more because she will get really angry. She can groom herself after this. Bye guys. And if you have any queries, please write down in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye. Me too, peace. Now it's her after bath treat time. She will get a treat because she was such a good girl during the bath. She loves strawberries. We do have a strawberry tree plant, actually, strawberry bush here. As you can see, there is a strawberry. That's all for today. See you guys in the next video.